do
I
that
ain't no
shit?
chicken thief, man.
I'm
What the
saying,
hell you talking about?
I'm
I don't
saying-
know you.
Yeah, and they dated and ate too. Nigga, what the fuck?
Me, don't come in here accusing me of nothing, nigga.
Oh, bro, you for real?
Hey, bro, you look familiar as fuck. How I know you, OG?
I don't know.
Wait a minute, nigga.
Everybody got a twin, man.
Nah, nigga, you that nigga that stole them chickens out my backyard.
Aw, man.
Nah, nigga, what's up, bro? Why
Man,
you do
I
that
ain't no
shit?
chicken thief, man.
I'm
What the
saying,
hell you talking about? I don't know you.
I'm saying, why
I
you
don't
do
know
that
you,
shit,
though,
fam?
man.
You ain't Frederick?
You tripping? No, my name is Keith.
Oh, you ain't Frederick Douglass?
No, man.
A black slave from the 1900s?
No,
I don't know.
Ah, you that nigga that stole my chickens out my backyard. Homeboy, why you do that shit, nigga?
Nigga, what the fuck?
Yeah, nigga, why you steal my
Nigga,
chickens?
where was this?
On Northwest 10th.
Nigga, I don't even like chickens, man. What the fuck?
I'm just saying why you do it. I ain't tripping like that, bro.
Oh, nigga, I ain't shit, nigga. I ain't steal nobody's motherfucking chickens, nigga. I don't even know you.
Ah, shit. You ain't Frederick?
Nah.
Hey, excuse me? Hey, how I know you, fam?
I don't know you, man.
Yeah, you that nigga that stole my chickens out my backyard.
Oh, bro, you for real?
Yeah, why you steal my chickens out my backyard?
Are you serious?
Yeah, he just stole my chicken. I caught him on camera, same shirt and pants.
Listen, I just picked him up from school.
Exactly, he stole it last night.
No,
Nigga, what the
he don't live.
Yeah.
He don't live by you or wherever you're from.
Okay.
No, I'm joking,
Okay.
man.
No.
I'm joking, it's a prank. I'm doing. Oh, gee, how I know you, fam?
You don't?
Nah, nigga, you that nigga that stole my chickens out my backyard, nigga.
Yeah, and they dated and ate too.
Damn.
I already ate.
Damn.
Then you come with that bullshit.
Damn, fam. Hey, how I know you, bro? You familiar? Nigga, you that nigga that stole my chickens out my backyard, homeboy.
What the fuck is you talking about?
Nigga, why you do that shit? You stole my chickens, nigga, same shirt
Bro, I
and
don't
shorts.
know what you talking about,
You
bro.
stole my chickens.
Bro, don't accuse me of nothing, nigga.
I'm saying, why you do that
Nah,
shit?
don't accuse me. Don't come in here accusing me of nothing, nigga.
I'm saying, you
For
ain't
real.
Frederick?
Nah, nigga, I ain't know who the fuck you talking about,
Nah,
dude.
you know what? You look familiar, fam. How I know you? Ah, yeah, you that nigga that stole my horses out my backyard, nigga.
And the brown,
Yeah.
I wrote that nigga to Texas.
Damn.